Are you tired of people saying that if you eat OMAD, you can eat whatever you want? Well, I can tell you that's not true. Just because you can't eat anything you want, as long as it is within your calorie range, it doesn't mean you should. In the past, I've never outlined exactly what I eat to you. My mistake. I should have been more clear, because when you do an OMAD search, it gives you the impression that nothing matters. I make video after video telling you about the wonders that the OMAD diet has done for my multiple sclerosis. But I was extremely careful years ago crafting it. Even after I checked all the boxes, crafted it and checked all the boxes, I had to examine it over and over again, refining them and perfecting it. Donna asked me a whole host of little questions about OMAD. I felt like I had answered them before, so I did an exhaustive search, and what happened is I realized I went through all my videos and I didn't answer any of the ones she asked in specific. So I need to do a deep dive into exactly what I eat and why I eat it, especially when it comes to MS and inflammation. But even though I never answered them directly, I think that I left them vague on purpose. I didn't want to give you the impression you have to eat exactly what I do to achieve amazing MS recovery like I have. But I desperately need to make a video explaining my diet so you can use it as a starting point, a springboard, let's say, in your MS recovery journey. So here you go. Hey, it's Steve. So first, before I begin and dive into the details, I want to state my overarching theme and drive I've had from the very beginning. OMAD is the longest form of time-restricted eating, equivalent to a 23-to-1 fast. So fasting for 23 hours and eating in just a 1 hour window. But don't worry, it's not impossible to do. The cherry on top is there's a growing body of research that shows that eating during a restricted window can have a positive impact on multiple sclerosis. And it is powerful, believe me. It is one of my 5 essential elements that has changed my life. I eat 2,524 calories first thing in the morning, without fail. Every morning, I wake up, go to the bathroom, then go directly to the kitchen and eat. My macronutrients are broken down as 32% carbohydrates, 24% fat, and 44% protein, with 199 calories uncategorized. If you want to read my Fitbit app like it was a nutritional label, here you go. So you can see it's definitely not normal. But as more and more time goes by, and the more and more my MS is distancing and moving farther away, like it was a bad dream, I like not being normal. So, now to the food and the specifics. Coffee is one of the most consumed beverages in the entire world. It contains polyphenols and other anti-inflammatory compounds that protects against inflammation. I take a scoop of a coffee mix I have, add a few scoops of coffee grounds to it, and stir it into 8 ounces of 2% milk. With it, I eat my pumpkin seed muffin. I think there is a pretty generic breakdown of nutrients in it. I'm not for sure. I have an old recipe on an old note card my grandmother gave me. I'm pretty sure it's that 199 uncategorized calories. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they are high in fiber and they are packed full of valuable antioxidants, which lowers inflammation. Next, I switch my food palette. Like it's going out of style. The benefits of black beans will blow your mind. Black beans contain plant compounds called flavonoids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. I eat them pretty plain. I open the can, rinse them off, then I put it on my plate, and then they go to their final resting place inside my belly. They have, since they're canned, they've been previously cooked. But I eat them plain with no seasoning whatsoever, not even salt or pepper. I've actually grown to appreciate the taste. So next, eggs are one of the best anti-inflammatory foods out there. They contain a variety of essential nutrients and vital components, including egg proteins, phospholipids, lutein, and zeaxanthin that curbs inflammation. Next, whole oats contain phenolic compounds as well as phytoestrogens that act as antioxidants to reduce the damaging effects of chronic inflammation that is associated with MS. An easy way to reduce inflammation overnight is to eat a green lettuce salad like I do. Lettuce contains antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties. Chicken without the skin reduces inflammation compared to typical Western diets containing red meat and high-fat dairy. My whey protein shakes also have large serving of blueberries and strawberries. Here's an interesting little tidbit. I read that a study that included 25 adults that consumed blueberries every day produced significantly more natural killer cells. So what are natural killer cells? Part of the reason that in MS that the immune system attacks our myelin is that our immune system is dysregulated. Now, when eating blueberries, the body naturally produces natural killer cells, and they help keep the immune system functioning properly. Now, blueberries are not DMTs, but I think they help in a small way, in a very good way. I have 6 scoops of whey split between the 2 8-ounce 2% milkshakes I drink. Going back to the macronutrients, you see that it's at 44%. That is far more than what most people eat. And it takes time for the digestive system to adapt to processing so much protein. But there is so much merit. The first part, whey protein, is a high-quality source of protein that lowers C-reactive protein levels in the blood and thus reduces inflammation. C-reactive protein is very bad for MS. And then the second part, whey protein is the building block of lean muscle. Lifting weights strengthens that lean muscle. The stress triggers acute inflammation, not the chronic inflammation that inflames our MS, but acute inflammation. Temporary acute inflammation helps us break down, rebuild, and build new muscle. That's great. And lifting weights is another one of my 5 essential elements. It propels this anti-chronic inflammation cycle that I find myself relishing in. My abilities have been restored, and I'm never going to let myself slip back and return to MS ever again. While preparing this video, I've been going over all these foods and remembering my life before I started eating them. So this morning I was walking outside and I was looking up at the sky, thinking about this. Wow, my life has changed so much. I'm so anxious for the day when you will experience what I'm feeling right now. I can't wait to hear from you. And I can't wait to hear the benefits you start feeling. Do you have any questions for me? I read and respond to all your comments, even if it is just a like and love. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.